Happy Wednesday, you guys. I'm gonna have a couple announcements for today, just reminders and helpful access that I've adjusted yesterday to help you better find our lessons and be more successful for Digital Learning Day, okay? So go ahead and take out your agendas. We're gonna go over a couple things. Grades, some of this is repeated information, but it's better to say it twice just to make sure that you guys are fully understanding. I'm going to update grades daily. The last day to retake your Unit 8 test and your CFA number 8 is this Friday, okay? Unit 8 test retakes will be updated only Friday because I have so many of you taking that test here and there, so I'm going to wait till Friday to update those, but the CFA I'm going to update daily because I want that to be updated before your test. Only retakes going on right now are the CFA and Unit 8 test. All right, so classwork, guys, we're not doing retakes on classwork grades. Remember, I told you that that's something, once you turn it in, that's it, okay? If you need more time to turn it in, that's fine. I'm very lenient with that. It will be an NTI till I get it, all right? So we're still trying to go through class expectations here. Awards are due soon, so the last day to turn in any of your NTIs or retakes will be April 3rd. Your Unit 9 test on expressions and equations is this Friday. We'll talk about our Google Meets review for that as well. Study guide, Misty? Yes, there is a study guide in for Module 9. I updated that on Monday. I'm going to be entering that study guide as a homework grade. It is through quizzes.com, but just keep in mind that if it's not complete, meaning you did not attempt it by Friday, then you're not permitted to take any AKS. If you'd like to retake one of the AKS from Unit 9, you won't, okay? So just make sure, guys, that you are doing your due diligence if you would like to retake. Google Meets, I'm going to have one today from 12 to 12:30, only for second period, right? Today is our block schedule. So that means tomorrow from 12 to 12:30, I will have a Google Meets for my third and fourth, okay? Only for you guys. And then Friday, same time, 12 to 12:30. Anyone is permitted to join, but you must come prepared with questions. If we're doing an open forum, I want to help you. So guys, your study guide would be beneficial. So if you don't know where to pull questions from that quizzes study guide. All right, so that's just a thought to help you guys get going. The link for Google Meets will always be posted 10 minutes before 12 o'clock on the activity feed. All right, easy access. So I went ahead and created nice modules, study guides modules. That's old. You guys have had that for a while. NTI module, that's pretty new. Please let me know if you ever retake anything or turn something in that's already a grade in the grade book. That way I can update that ASAP. Retest opportunities, that's pretty old. That's been in our on our eClass page for a while. This is new, CFA number 8, linear expressions reteach retake. Some of you are still confused on where to find that, so I'll clarify that again today. I'm going to hyperlink on the calendar, meaning every time you pull up your Google Calendar, you will see it say MA colon and then Dolinsky at ACC Math, okay? So I'm going to hyperlink everything on the calendar and make it in the form of a checklist. That way you guys know what you need to be completing and you have easy access to that assignment and you can find it easily. Okay. Also, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I know that your parents are home right now, and I'm not saying for them not to help you. I just think that if you guys are asking questions directly to me via activity feed, that response may be more meaningful and more helpful because you're asking it, okay? So again, I'm not saying that your parents shouldn't be asking questions. Ask me because I also want to talk to you guys. So let's go ahead and explore our eClass page. I'm going to show you the easy access you're going to go to eClass, and you'll see for today, let me go to your class. So I'm going to click the waffle and click Dolinsky Accelerated Math. I'm going to go to calendar. So this is the hyperlinking that I was talking about. So I'm going to go to today's date, and I'm going to click on math, and I'm going to go here. All right, so if you guys will see, step 1, step 2, step 3, this is kind of like your checklist, and I went ahead and hyperlinked everything for you. So step 1, watch the videos, solving multi-step equations. Step 2, practice, and step 3, check your keys below, okay? And the study guide can be found here. If you click that, it'll take you to the Unit 9 study guides. What else did we say? NTI module, retest opportunity, and digital learning day. So if I go to content, you guys will see all these modules on the left. You've got your NTIs here. So if you have an NTI, just check right here, and you guys should see all of them. Let's see. If we go down to study guides, you'll see the study guides module. For each unit, I've got unit 1 through unit 9. And you'll see unit 9. This is where that hyperlink on the calendar will take you. It is a quizzes.com, so just join using your class code. Some of you accidentally joined other classes. Guys, that makes it really hard for me to find your grade, so make sure you join your correct class. So if you have me for second period, join me second period, okay? You also have retake opportunities down here for each unit, and that's where you can find Unit 8 retake opportunities. Remember, that's due Friday. You can also see our virtual class recordings here. Every recording that we've done so far is posted there. So if you wanted to go back to refer to that, you can. We also have our digital learning days module. This is week 323 through 327. So here is all your stuff there. So again, guys, I really do want to help you, so let me know, and I can help you out.